and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous 95, as the trailer says, so why do I even say my name anymore? But today we are going to be taking a look at the 2-pack between Maddy Mcgear and Melissa Bernabrake. Okay, that's a lie. We all know that's Maddy Mcgear's mother, but you know what? It could just be like before when they had the mother's last name different, so whatever. Or the... never mind. So, as you can see Maddy Mcgear and her mother, Maddy Mcgear, Melissa. On the back, you see the Florida 500, Maddy Mcgear and her mother. It's the opening race of the Piston Cup season. Who will take home the championship? Cruz Ramirez. Well, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, so since I've already done a review of Maddy Mcgear technically twice now, I'm just gonna go straight into Melissa. So she is like a minivan, like what the heck was that? Anyway, she is a minivan. You see her front? She's smiling. She's got a gray color. Well, she's at a race. She should be happy. On the back, we see her license plate, and she's just an overall nice car. She's got some weight to her. Maddy Mcgear, from all of them, still haven't changed, which kind of gets on my nerves because this flag is supposed to be on the left side of her, but you know what, whatever. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 500 by the beginning of April. Will it happen? Probably not. Right now we're at 413, but this was recorded before, like, 2 days before it came out, so it could be different. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I am the Fabulous 95, and I should really stop saying my name.